Hello everyone, welcome to Taipei Cycle 2022. It's Raymond here. My job today is to guide you through this second largest bicycle show in the world. And I'm right now visiting a company that needs no introduction. It's the single largest bicycle company in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Giant. And standing next to me is Brandon, Giant's product marketing assistant manager. Brandon, say hi to our viewers first.
Hi, cycling friends all around the world. I'm Brandon Zhou from the Giant Bicycle Group, and I'm very happy to introduce all the cool stuff in our Giant Group booth today.
Yeah, exactly. I've seen a lot of cool stuff from Giant already. And let me just cut to the chase here, Brandon. What Giant's got for us this year?
Yes, Raymond, and I think it is very exciting this year since it's COVID. Almost 2 years, and we are very excited back to this arena to demonstrate all the cool topics to you guys. This year we have 5 topics here.
5 topics, okay.
Yes, first one is performance topic. We have our Giant and the Lift performance bike. And the second, we have our e-bike. You know that it's a hot trend all around the world. So we have the e-bike area, and also we have our KDS brand, which is a very, very high class and the top class component brand that we launched recently. And also the Momentum brand, which is the brand resonates to all the citizen and the lifestyle rider around the world.
Okay, so 5 topics for Giant this year. A lot for you to see. So maybe firstly we can check out the performance part, okay?
Yes, definitely. Yes, and this year we demonstrate a few of our performance bike as you guys see behind me. I think the first one, the most important one we want to show you is our team bike.
Yes.
I think all the cycling fans around the world know that Giant go back to the world class World Tour, UCI World Tour this year. So 2012, we have our team bike, and this is the first time we demonstrate our team bike exchange bike in Rio. So in Taipei show, only for Taipei show.
The very first time.
Yes, the very first time. So you see the iconic blue, and with all our new rush symbols. The rush symbols, we mimic the racing posture of a racer. It's a triangle, so mimic we are in the rushing. Yes. And the second cool stuff we want to share is our propel. It's Olympic propel. As you guys know, the 2012 one is the Tokyo Olympic.
Yes.
And this is a champion Olympic distance bicycle, the color and the graphic from our Christian, our top athlete. And we were very honored to work with Christian to have its brand set and have a commercial spec for the fans around the world that you can buy the bicycle of the Christian.
Yeah, I know you have a gravel bike too, right?
Yes.
Can you also say a few words about that bike?
Yes, gravel, as you guys know, gravel is such a hot topic all around the cycling industry.
Yes.
So this year, we also demonstrate our gravel bicycle in our booth. You can see the all new concept that we want. Lighter, stiffer, stronger, and also more adjustable to the terrains.
Okay, so I guess I can say, if you would like to take home some gold medals, you better go with Giant bikes, right?
Yes, and Raymond, I wanted to share another 2 things.
Okay.
First one is that, just like I say, the question is our top athlete, and this year we are very honored. Giant Group will work with Christian to have a Sub-7 challenge.
Wow.
Sub-7 challenge is that Christian will work with his team and the Giant Group to participate in the Super Ironman distance.
Okay.
Yes, it's such a challenge event that he wanted to finish this challenge within 7 hours.
Within 7 hours?
Yeah, within 7 hours. So announced here is that the Giant Group will have a killer product to work with Christian to finish and to challenge the race.
Okay, so with Giant, you are able to finish this almost impossible task. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you, Brandon. So we have more to show you. Let's go. Yeah, Brandon, Giant's also famous for its wheel system, KDX, and you can see some of the KDX products behind our back. So, Brandon, I'm just wondering, can you give us some more information?
Sure, Raymond. Yes, as you guys know, the KDX is our high-end, top-class component brand. So wheel is part of his product lines. So above me, we have the wheel that the Christian used in the Olympic, and we are honored to bring his signatures back to the Taipei show. So you can see the golden logo is our cadets and the Christian signatures. So it's very unique, and we'll tell you this is the weapon he won a champion in Olympics.
Exactly.
Yeah,
okay.
exactly. And another thing I want to show you, demonstrate is that we have a new product which just launched last week. It's our new cadets AR wheel systems. And the AR certified wheel system is such a killer product, I would like to say. First one is very lightweight. How lightweight it is? It's only 1,270 grams per.
That's super light, everybody.
Yeah, a pair.
Yes.
So it's crazy. And the second is very, very strong. That wheel we engineer and design it for the cross-country standard.
Yeah.
Which meaning he can withdraw the impact resistance up to the 800 kilograms. So we design it is a standard of the mountain bicycle wheel. This is crazy. And the third one is super stiff. Use the carbon, carbon ring and the carbon spoke. Like the cadets brand, very famous. And the final part is very smooth. Why? Because we use a very, very high-tech internals. For example, our ceramic bearing and also the 6TC rigid system to very, very, very low friction, to very, very smooth.
Wow, that was very impressive, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, top quality and the killer product from Giant to win any competitions that you are in. Yeah. So let's go to our next stop.
Yeah, next up, cadets.
Yeah, Brandon, before we go, you have any more information that you would like to share with our viewers?
Yeah, sure, Raymond. As you know, I only share 40% of our
just 40%, ladies and gentlemen.
40% bicycle in our booth today. So as you guys know, Giant Group, we developed all the bicycle resonators to all the riders around the world. No matter who you are, performance rider, sport rider, or lifestyle rider, you can find a bicycle here. Really care for you. So I want to say and wanted to encourage all the cycling fans around the world, come to Taipei Show and visit Giant booth. We are here for you.
Yes, thank you so much to Brandon. You can find everything that you need here at Giant, and remember, it's just 40% or even less, right?
Yes.
Like 30%. So there's a lot more for you to explore. So come visit Giant or go to our Taipei Cycle online exhibition for more information. Thank you once again, Brandon, for your time.
Thank you, Raymond.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.